Let's talk about the construct binary search tree from Preorder Traversal. So you're given an array integer Preorder, so which represent the order of Preorder Traversal. And you want to construct a binary search tree, right? So this is supposed to be really basics. So for example, this will be a root, right? And this will be definitely the left child of the root, and then you just have to traverse the rest of the value, right? And I'm going to just quickly draw the diagram and you'll be able to understand. So the root is definitely going to be 8, and then whenever I pass in the value from the preorder array, coming from the top, so the 5 and 1, 7, 10, and 12, right? So I will just come to the top and I will just traverse. Okay, is 5 is greater than 8? No, then just go left, right? And since left is no, root of left is no, so I will just create a root tree. I will just create a tree node, and then I'll delete this one, and the next one is gonna be 1. So I will start it from the top again. So this go left, and definitely this is 5. So root of left is not known, so I will just keep going left because the value is less than the term value, right? The value in the preorder is less than the tree node value, so you go in left, and then I will just erase. Okay, for the 7. So 7 is coming from the top, so 7 is less than 8, but greater than 5, right? But root of right is no, so you just create a tree node and then you just put a 7 right here. And then 7 is going to be the same thing, 10. The 10 is going to be the same thing, right? 10 and then 12. So this is the solution. So let me start coding and you'll be able to understand. So tree node. I'm going to just say root, and then this is going to be tree node. For the first value, it's always be the root, right? Index 0. So when I traverse the entire array, I'm starting from 1 to the length of the preorder and increment. And I need to have a function. It's going to be set node. So I need to just start from the top for every single value, and I will just pass in the order, right? Then at the end I'll just return root, right? So top is set will set no. So I need to pass in what? I need to pass in no. I need to pass in the val, right? So if the current node val is less than val, so what does this mean? So imagine this is 8 and this is supposed to be 10, right? So let 8 less than 10 going right? So else going left, right? So I'm just quickly give you the hint, right? Else left, right? So here's it. So if the node right is actually equal to no, right? You basically set node right. So this one equal to the value for the basically just set the value to the tree node, right? So if this is not null, right, then I will have to, since this is going right, so I will just recursively call this function. So set null value, right? So it's going to be null dot right, and the value I passed in from the main function, it's going to be the same, right? So you will just compare the next level of the BST, right? And to see if this is going left or going right? Because at least if an else statement, you will determine it's left and right? So everything is going to be the same thing for the left. Imagine only if this is left, right? This is left, this is left. And this is pretty much a solution. So let me run it and submit. So okay, cool. So let's talk about time and space. for the space, this is a space, this is a space, and this is a space, right? So you are given an array and you need to construct the BST. So the space is going to be all of n, right? And the time, this is going to be a time, and every single time you call this one, right? So it's going to be all of n times the height of the tree, so log n. So n log n, and n represent the length of the preorder. So this will be the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.